Right now, Storm Teammate meteorologist Ian Oliver continues to track Hurricane Irma. What's the latest?
Hey, good evening, Rod. I just got the 11 p.m. update in from the National Hurricane Center. No change to Irma's intensity. It's still a compact hurricane way out in the Atlantic, a high-end Category 2 storm with maximum sustained winds around 110 miles per hour. Its motion is off to the west at about 14 miles per hour. This, the official track from the National Hurricane Center. It is expected to re-intensify tomorrow back to a major hurricane, Category 3, eventually a Category 4 storm just to the north of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. Now, this storm is still more than a week out from impacting any possible landfall along the eastern United States. I want to show you this looking long range beyond that forecast cone. We've got the GFS model and the European model, GFS in green, Euro in red. Some encouraging signs today. Both of these forecast models kept it east of Florida, still the potential for a landfall along the eastern United States. That would be a little bit better than a week from now. So it's way too early to know exactly where this storm is heading. In fact, National Hurricane Center will be sending hurricane hunters to investigate the storm tomorrow, gathering more data. That data gets ingested into the forecast models. We'll start to get better information on this storm over the next few days. Rod?
Definitely keep our eyes on it. Ian, thank you very much.